Welcome to your private sanctuary in Grande Vista Bay, Rockwood. This is 112 Roaming Fawn Drive. With 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, you'll enjoy over 2,300 square feet of luxurious living space, surrounded by a meticulously landscaped exterior on 1.51 acres. This is an open concept layout featuring rich hardwood floors throughout. Enter the spacious great room. The dining room boasts large windows for picturesque views and natural light. The chef's kitchen features a 5-burner range, stainless steel appliances, countertops of granite, and this island is perfect for casual meals. You also have a breakfast dining area. The primary bedroom is a serene retreat, bathed in natural light while maintaining privacy. Its ensuite bath includes separate vanities, a soaker tub with a view, and a walk-in shower. Your second bedroom is in the front of the home, featuring a walk-in closet, and your third bedroom is in the back of the home. Of course, practicality meets style in the mudroom with easy access to the laundry. And step outside through French doors to the screened-in patio, shaded by a retractable awning. You'll certainly be impressed by the 3-level deck. With even more features and storage, 112 Roaming Fawn Drive in Grande Vista Bay, Rockwood is waiting for you to call it home. Call Joanne Mielenz of Sparks Realty direct at 865-599-6300.